This is a quick overview of the QM Wizard by SpringPoint. QM Wizard is part of the SpringPoint industrial software suite. For context, Motorbase is our ERP system designed for quoting, job tracking, costing, inventory, accounting, and other items. The QM Wizard picks up where Motorbase leaves off, giving you the ability to process work on the job floor, bringing in quality controls, adding in company and customer specifications, advanced calculations, and custom report generation, all from your technicians who are actually doing the work. And then also for context, the equipment management program is designed to track a lot of equipment. Our CRM program is designed to manage your sales efforts, your activities, opportunities, pipeline, and then your customers can have access to their information through the customer web portal. This overview will focus on the QM Wizard. So, what is the QM Wizard? First of all, QM stands for Quality Management. The QM Wizard transforms any PDF form into a fully customizable electronic task list and data capture tool. It's designed for shop, floor, or field service use. It moves you from a PDF form to an electronic task guide form with instructions and on to a final report. The idea is to keep employees focused, standardize work, promote perfection, reinforce training, validate entries, increase efficiency, proficiency, productivity, and ultimately, profitability. We really want to highlight that the QM Wizard completes the final report as the work is being accomplished. So how does the QM Wizard work? First, it converts a PDF form to an electronic task list, then color codes the results as technician enters the results into the QM Wizard. When black, it means the task has not been done. The green indicates the task is done and there are no failures in the task, and no present validation has been violated. Finally, you can have alerts set for yellow, orange, or red, indicating different levels of failures. Those can also be password protected, if desired. As floor and field service technicians enter those results, the QM Wizard is completing the final report in the background, and that report can be tailored once the process is over, and even emailed right from the QM Wizard. You can start with your already existing form. You have complete creative control. You can design a form that looks any way you'd like. You add interactive fields, which will require a PDF creator tool. You can use or modify our included set of forms. And also, SpringPoint offers a full turnkey form service or a wide range of training options. Once you upload a form into the QM Wizard, it converts those interactive forms into individual tasks, and then you can manipulate them in our form manager, adjusting, adding validation criteria, setting your failure levels, adding prompts, work instructions, reference material, and a lot more. At this point, your form is ready for use in QM Wizard. You can also add a job in the QM Wizard. You go to the job details page, select your customer, select the form that you'd like to use for this job, and add any additional information that you find necessary. Keep in mind the QM Wizard is part of the SpringPoint Industrial Suite, which means jobs can also be added in Motorbase and accessed through the QM Wizard. Once those jobs are added and the forms are complete, the jobs and attachments are both visible to your sales reps and managers in the CRM program and to your customers in the customer web portal, if you enable those forms to be accessible in the portal. Once the jobs are created and the forms are added to the job, you are able to complete the task electronically in QM Wizard. They can take photos or manage drawings for individual tasks, and the QM Wizard tracks job progress and the results. Here you can see the job is 21% completed as indicated by the green bar at the top of the screen. Failures are color-coded according to their severity, and tasks can be segregated by department, which means you can set it up so your machinist will only see tasks assigned to the machining department. Supervisors can track progress and failures in real time, as well as see and answer other messages and comments. The QM Wizard completes an audit trail for all tasks, so you can always drill back in to see what's been changed or added to each of those tasks. And again, the QM Wizard completes the final report. QM Wizard reports can be emailed from the QM Wizard, including the test reports, photos, and other attachments. If those reports are too large, the QM Wizard will create a link that you can use to send to your customer to download. Reports are immediately available in Motorbase as attachments to the job, and if enabled, those reports are visible to your customer in the customer web portal. There are 4 access levels for QM Wizard. Administrators have access to everything in the QM Wizard, but in particular, they're able to create forms, modify, and manage them. Supervisors have access to everything in the QM Wizard with the exception of the form creation and changes. Your basic level 2 user completes tasks in any order, while your basic user can complete tasks, but only in the order that you have set. To note, basic level users are focused on the assigned tasks, and they have limited access to job and customer information. J Industrial Repair is one company that has made an extensive use of the QM Wizard. You may want to check out our case study with J Industrial. Learn more about the QM Wizard and the rest of SpringPoint Industrial Software Suite through a personalized video demonstration accessible on our website, or contact us at sales@springpt.com.